A new report from the Acadiana Planning Commission and UL Lafayette found that slow internet is strangling job growth and education in the region's rural towns.
News 15's Kenny Dar has more on what was found with this report. Kenny?
Some of the data found in the report may be surprising, with certain areas of Acadiana having some of the slowest internet speeds in the entire nation.
Initially took a step back and had to look at some of the data a couple times because I didn't believe how low some of the numbers were.
Dr. Gary Wagner says previous data showed an increase of 20,000 jobs in Acadiana following an expansion to broadband internet between 2014 and 2018, adding that there's opportunity for more.
So getting access to more areas is going to expand the opportunity for jobs. And I think it's also from the pandemic, we're seeing that that's even going to be more important going forward.
Wagner says the lack of quality internet in rural areas stems from the narrow margin for profit due to a lower population compared to more urban areas, but also a lack of education of how important good internet is.
And so some people might not be aware of the fact that what the capabilities additional broadband would mean to them. So they think, hey, I've been able to get by on whatever internet access I have, and I can just continue doing that going forward.
The lack of quality internet in rural Acadiana not only has an effect on the economy and jobs, but education as well, with the internet becoming an absolute necessity due to virtual learning.
After COVID and even before COVID, students have become increasingly dependent, or at least the requirement has become greater, that they need internet access to help with homework.
Chad Lacombe says performance scores reflected poorly in areas where students may not have had reliable access to the internet during periods of virtual school.
Performance scores have shown a definite decline in students who haven't been able to log on and do their schoolwork and log on to the classes that are being offered during the pandemic.
Now that the report is done, Lacombe says the next step is implementation, adding that if we want to see growth within Acadiana's rural towns, it starts with good quality internet access. Reporting in Lafayette, Kenny Dar, News 15.
Thank you, Kenny. Well, now to view the entire report from UL Lafayette and the Acadiana Planning Commission, just go to kadn.com.